Good morning. I am Devi Abirami. We are going to see a topic introduction to statistics in mathematics and statistical computation. Statistics is the study of the collection of analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of a data. In other words, it is a mathematical discipline to collect and summarize the data. The uncertainty and variation in different fields can be determined only through statistical analysis. These uncertainties are basically determined by the probability that plays an important role in statistics. There are two types of statistics. One is descriptive statistics and another one is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics means it is through the graph or tables or numerical calculations. Descriptive statistics uses the data to provide descriptions of the population, whereas inferential statistics is based on the data sample taken from the population. Inferential statistics makes the prediction and inference. Both the types of statistics are equally employed in the field of statistical analysis. Main characteristics of statistics are numerically expressed. Data are collected in systematic order. It should be comparable with each other. Data are collected for a planned purpose. The important functions of statistics are statistics helps in gathering information about the appropriate quantitative data. It depicts the complex data in graphical form, tabular form, and in diagrammatic representation. It provides the exact description and a better understanding. It helps in designing the effective and proper planning of the statistical inquiry in any field. It helps to understand the variability pattern through the quantitative observations. Data collection. Data collection is a very important process in statistics. Um, in statistics, data collection is the process of gathering information from all the relevant sources to find a solution for a research problem. It helps to evaluate to overcome from the problem. We can analyze the outcome of the problem by using those data. The main sources of the data collection methods are data. Data can be classified into two types. One is primary data and another one is secondary data. Primary data is a collection of data or a business. It helps to determine many important things about the company, particularly the performance. So, the data collection process plays an important role in all the stream. Depending on this data, the data can be classified into primary data and secondary data. Primary data means a raw data which is collected from the first hand source through experiments, surveys, and observations. Primary data collection method is further classified into two types: quantitative data collection and qualitative data collection. Quantitative data collection is based on the mathematical calculation using various formats like mean, median, mode, measures, correlations, and regressions. Qualitative data collection means it is a mathematical calculation. This method is closely associated with the elements that are not quantifiable. Qualitative data collection method includes interviews, questionnaires, observations, case studies, etc. There are several methods to collect these types of data. Observation data means uh, taking the data by observing the situations, behavioral signs. There are so many types of observation data. One is structured and unstructured observation, controlled and uncontrolled observation, participants and non-participants observation. Interview method. If we interview some person to collect the data, then it is said to be an interview method. It is of either a personal interview or of a telephonic interview. Questionnaire method is first we have to prepare a questions. Of that set of questions will be circulated among the population, and we will get idea about some surveys. It will be very short and simple. Should follow logical sequences. Provide an adequate space for answers. Avoid technical terms. Should have a good physical appearance such as color, quality of the paper to attract the attention of the respondent. Secondary data collection means already the data will be collected, which includes magazines, newspapers, books, journals, etc. It may be either a published one or it may be an unpublished one. Published one means the government publication, historical, statistical, business documents, trade journals, etc. Unpublished data means some of their diaries, letters, and biographies. What is classification? Classification is the process of categorizing is given in a set of data into classes. Advantage of classification is it allows for the efficient organization and categorization of a large amount of data. It can be used to predict the class or category of new unseen data points. It can be easily integrated with other machine learning techniques such as regression and clustering. It can be used to make the decision or take action based on the class or category of the data, such as in spam detection or medical diagnosis. There is a major difference between a tabulation and a classification. Classification after a data collection will be made as classification. After classification, the tabulation will be made. Classify the collected data into different groups. Present the classified data in tabular form. Method of sorting data, method of presenting a data. To analyze data, to present a data. Arranged in variables and characteristics, arranged in rows and columns. Divided data into categories and subcategories. Divide the data into headings and subheadings. These are the some of the technical terms which are going to use in our topic statistics. Thank you.